So we got this relaxation water fountain thing right here. Figured I'd do this little bagging boxing of it with you guys and show y'all how it works. I do come with a little installation guide. Do this video with you guys. This is the base of it right here. I'm assuming this is where all of your water is going to go into, and of course the pipe to be able to suck the water up and whatnot. This right here is the little fountain piece. Comes nice and bagged up. Whenever I took this out of the box, there was like two pieces of styrofoam that was holding this thing together so that it stayed together and didn't break during shipping or anything like that. And then we have this little guy right here. This is your pump. So this, okay, first little switch right here on there. I don't know exactly what that does. It has a plus on one side and a minus on the other. Down into the bottom of the fountain here, and it won't move around. The thing just sits on top of this little base right here. What's this little, okay, that's for the water to go down into, duh. Look, I got a little bit, I don't know if this is gonna be enough water, but I have some water right here. We'll go ahead and plug this thing in. Look, y'all come on down. Take a look at this. Plugging it in. The light works, that's great. I hear the pump in there, y'all, it's very silent. I don't even know if y'all can hear that. That's amazing. Go ahead and pour some water into here, and then let me go and grab just some more right on into here. Oh, I'm hearing it. I'm hearing it. It's got nice water sounds to it of the water flowing. So if you like that kind of sound while you sleep or just in a meditation or to have around the house just kind of on a shelf, making some like background ambient noise, this is actually really nice. Yeah, if you guys are looking for a great water fountain, I can definitely recommend this one right here. You guys go and grab one. Thank y'all for watching, and Dad out.